Good morning, squids, or good afternoon, whatever it is for you guys. Okay, so today in class, we're going to continue to investigate the source of sound. By the end of class, you'll be able to carefully focus on the source of sound to create a detailed model. We're looking at our original models and going into the detail of what happens at the source. So in class today, we'll look at all the questions that you generated from the original model. They were awesome. Then we're going to watch slow motion videos, take notes on observations, and then create a class model of a drum making sound. During your asynchronous time, you'll take one of the other slow motion videos and make a model of that sound source making a sound. So we look at the questions. So basically what we're thinking about here is how do sound sources like instruments and speakers make all those different sounds? So in your notebook, you are going to make a table that shows the data source on one side and observations on the other side. And as you watch the videos, we'll think in your mind about what's similar about the motion of different objects while they make sounds. So you'll look at a tuning fork, a guitar, and a drum. What are some similarities? What are some differences in the way they make sounds? What type of shape changes did we see in objects when they were struck or plucked? And then how did the shape continue to change even after they were done, after the drum was hit, after the guitar string was plucked? And then after you look at those three videos, what patterns did you notice among the instruments and the speaker? So that's the first part of our class today. What you want to do is in your notebook, make a chart that looks like this. Slow motion videos. The data source is the drum and then your observations. The next data source is the tuning fork and your observations. And then the guitar and your observations. And pay attention to these questions as you watch the videos. And then when you're done with that, come back and I'll show you how we made the model of the drum.